Hi, it's Sasha here from HomeDesignsAI. Welcome to the Design Critique tutorial. This powerful module allows you to upload an image of your space and receive instant detailed recommendations for improvement. Whether you want to redesign your kitchen, living room, or any space, our AI will provide you with detailed feedback to elevate your home. Let's dive right in. Start by uploading an image of your space, and this works for interiors, exteriors, and gardens. I want to receive feedback on this kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and select interior. Let's see what it comes up with. So within seconds, it has analyzed my image and has provided me with detailed feedback and actionable insights. It's broken down feedback and recommendations on everything from the lighting to decor elements and specific pieces of furniture. I love these suggestions because not only does it enhance the style or aesthetic of the space, but also the functionality. Here are the top tips for getting the best results with our design critique tool. So number one, make sure you use high quality and clear images of the space that you want to receive feedback on. Number two, focus on key areas. So when you upload the image, make sure that you can clearly see the main elements of the space that you want to receive feedback on. And finally, be open to suggestions. Our AI might provide you feedback that challenge your current design thinking. You never know, you might discover a new style you completely love. And that's the design critique tool, providing you with instant feedback and expert recommendations in seconds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any support, our support team is here to help. Don't forget to check out our other videos on detailed breakdowns of the different modules available on HomeDesignsAI.